Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am so excited to be sharing this video with you. I am going to be making 3 no-bake pies. This video is part of a collaboration with my friend Leann and my other friend Tony. We're gonna be doing pie videos every day this month. So this is to get us in the spirit. Easter is almost here. Easter is just around the corner in a few weeks. So we wanted to get together and share with you all of our favorite pie recipes. Leann and Tony are going to be doing a giveaway at the end of the month. So leave a comment on this video, click subscribe, and you will be entered into a chance to win a $100 gift card. So make sure you check out that live video on Leann's page on April 4th, and she'll be announcing the winner. So this is so exciting. I am so excited to be part of this collaboration. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing 3 pies. They're all no bake. So I have these pie crusts. One is gonna be a lemon pie, one is going to be a key lime pie, and the other one is going to be a root beer float pie. So I'm really excited to make all these for you guys. I am really excited for Easter, so I hope this gives you some inspiration to make some pies for your Easter gatherings. So let me make all of these up and show you. Okay, so all 3 of these pies are super easy. This one that I'm gonna make first is a key lime pie. So I have some Chobani Greek yogurt. This is reduced fat. It is all natural flavors. So no fake fruit, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners. So this is a skinny key lime pie. Really easy, you guys. So I have just 2 containers of Chobani. I have an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and I have a small box of lime jello. So I will mix all this together. It'll go into my graham cracker pie crust, and I will let it set up in the refrigerator, but it'll be so awesome. Okay, so this third pie, these are all so easy, is a root beer float pie. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited for this one. So easy. vanilla pudding. I always get sugar-free, Cool Whip, and then I ordered this on Amazon. It is root beer concentrate. So they did not have it at my grocery store, but I ordered it online. So awesome. And then some root beer as well. So I'm gonna get this one all made up, super easy. This one is so delicious. I love root beer floats, especially spring and summertime. So good. All right, after this one sets up, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours. But after it sets up, you can garnish it with some whipped cream, some little cherries. So good. So let me go get this one in the fridge so it can set up and be ready to go. Okay, 3 quick and easy, no bake pies. I am so excited to share these with you guys. It was so fun being part of this collaboration with my friend Leann from the Mennonite Farmhouse and Tony from Kettle Kitchen. Like I mentioned at the beginning, if you leave a comment on this video, you will be entered into winning a $100 gift card, and that winner will be announced on Leann's live stream video on April 4th. So make sure you check it out. Make sure you leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love hearing from you, so definitely leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed these 3 recipes. I will put them all in the description box, but they're super simple. So really awesome for your springtime gatherings or any Easter functions you're going to. Hope that you have a really great rest of your day. I will see you all in my next video. I have another collaboration coming up on Sunday, so make sure you come back on Sunday, check it out. I'm going to be doing some Easter appetizers. You know how much I love appetizers. So come back on Sunday, check out that video. I will see you then. Bye-bye.